delicious panipopo. Here's how to make them.
Alright, let's make panipopo.
Get half a cup of your miraka kokonati,
Half a cup of tere,
wera,
wera,
huka,
huka,
tere,
or yeasty.
and give it a good stir.
Jokes, I don't know the word for yeast.
Activate until foamy like that. Then add in hēki, wanira, tote, and puehu parãoa.
Whānaukai, vanilla, masima, flour maka.
Give it a really good stir. Once you have a shaggy dough, get it onto your bench. Poia te POKENGA. Knead that dough.
Once you've got a shaggy dough, then you put it on the counter. It wasn't me.
And then we dot in our pata. Make sure it's a little bit soft and then just knead that in.
And then you bucket the dough like you bucket the milk arrowroot biscuits. Equal part biscuit, equal part butter.
It might get a little bit sticky. Don't add any extra flour. When it springs back, it's ready.
My butter kind of exploded and got messy, but eventually came right.
And all I've done now is just rubbed my bowl with a little bit of oil.
Rubbing my bowl with a little bit of oil is going to get too provocative, so I just sprayed my rim instead.
Chuck it in there and we're going to leave it for an hour.
Chucked it in there and left it for about an hour and a half.
Our coconut sauce is made with puehu, wai, tote and huka.
That's koni, flour, vai, masima, and suka.
Stir it up, add miraka kokonati, creamy kokonati and wanira. Simmer for 5 minutes.
Stir it up and then simmer for 5 minutes.
Now we punch down that dough
I'm not really a violent person, so a push and a few stern words did the
and
trick.
divide it into 15 equal pieces.
Did I tell you that I failed school C math? Somehow I ended up with 16 pieces.
Then we take each piece and roll it out like so, around 10 centimeters, hold it in the middle and then just wind it around and around.
This part was fun. Roll it out and then roll it around your finger. Ta-da!
Cover them with a tea towel and rise for 45 minutes.
Didn't want to have to wash my soro lima, so glad wrap.
And then we reserve 1 cup of the coconut sauce. The rest just gets poured all over those buns.
Poured it all over my buns.
And then it's just time to bake them and watch the magic happen.
Magic indeed. You guys have got to try this recipe. These are some next level panipopo. Like, not only do they taste amazing, but they're a showstopper. They look beautiful. Shout out to the amazingly talented Naomi, aka Whanaukai, who is not only teaching us how to cook, but also promoting te reo Māori. It's encouraged me to try and use some Samoan for this video. Way out of my comfort zone. I grabbed a copy of her book. You guys should too. I look forward to making more recipes from it. Okay, love you, bye.